What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to go ahead and just play around with S2000. It's Valentine's Day but worked out a little slow, so I'm home now. As you can see, S2000 in the garage. Haven't really made a video on this car recently or within the past couple days. Front end back to AP1, front bumper with the AP1 replica OEM front lip or whatever. I took these caps off. I actually have these caps. I took them off because I want to do something kind of crazy and ugly and stupid and spontaneous. Let me just show you. Alright, so as you can see, I bought these a couple weeks ago or a month ago, and you guys remember I posted that earlier. I was gonna sell it, but I kind of want to put them on because it's gonna be hard to sell these stuff. I don't know why, it's just nobody wants them. So I'm gonna take it down, and I'm actually gonna put this on the S2000. This is a UKDM or European starter kit. You got the clear housing, you got the front license plate, and you got the rear license plate shroud. I kind of want to convert this to a European looking S2000 with the exception of that, because I don't really care for the headlight washers. I have it on my ISF and I don't even use it. We're gonna go ahead today and install that front license plate cover because it's the easiest to do. And I'm gonna be using these Mugen bolts that I have. They were on the Lexus to hold the license plate, but I kind of want to just use this for the front just to fancy it up a little bit. Gonna go ahead and just slap it on. Should be a really easy 1-minute install. So let's do some before and after. Alright guys, so it's finally on the car. It looks kind of funky, I'm not gonna lie to you, probably because I don't have the European plate. Honestly, not the worst thing in the world. Like I said, they come like this in Europe. Just this conversion alone is gonna be a little cool, a little crazy, a little different. No one's gonna really like it, I would say, but that's the whole point. I just want to have fun with this car, and I think converting it to a European looking S2000 would be kind of cool, a little unique, a little different, because it has an OEM jazz to it, but it still looks a little different than the rest. I'm gonna go ahead and vinyl wrap this frame in white and just kind of pretend that it's a license plate until I figure out what kind of plate I want to get. I definitely want an authentic European, a retired European tag, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and vinyl wrap because that's what I'm good at, and hopefully this is gonna look pretty decent. I kind of like it, guys. Kind of like it. Everyone's all for the clean look and the whatever the hell, but I like stuff that's nostalgic, stuff that you would see, you know, in a different country or whatever. So this is kind of cool. Next thing would be to take these out. They're just clear, nothing fancy about them. So technically that's what it looks like right there. You're not gonna lie, that looks pretty damn clean with white. Just gotta open up these headlights, which I gotta figure out because I've never done it before, and then swap out these, as well as the bulb inside. I gotta make sure I get a very bright orange bulb on the top because I want it to look like this. I want the orange to kind of bleed through, and same with down there, an orange bulb as well. This is what I'm trying to achieve. This is the European front end. Looks kind of cool. Like I said, you see the headlights, they're kind of like clear with the orange in it. Another thing about this rear license plate thing, I have to actually cut my rear bumper for this. I was kind of hesitant about it, but my rear bumper isn't original. It doesn't have a VIN number on it. It might have been replaced at one point, but it needs paint anyway. Yeah, please excuse the rusty little mounts. I don't know how well this is gonna hold up, but these mounts have to come out, and I'm gonna probably get a very thin piece of sheet metal of some sort or make my own bracket to kind of securely have it on the car, because this is kind of sketch in a lot of ways. But honestly, I think it's gonna look pretty damn sick, to be honest. I'm excited. But for now, I'm just gonna keep this car simple. Just want to change it up a little and have some fun, you know? Because, you know, you're never gonna learn how to do stuff unless you do it, right? So this is gonna be a great opportunity to learn how to take apart headlights, and a great opportunity to learn how to modify a bumper to fit something like that. I just want to show you guys quickly the plans for the S2000 next. I'm gonna keep the car. It's not worth selling right now, so we'll see what happens with it. I'm daily driving the car. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I hope you guys stick around for it, and stay tuned for tomorrow for another video. Peace.